Hey lovelies, my name is Mamus Ate. Are you ready to shine this holiday season? Come create this stunning, glamorous holiday makeup look that will keep everyone staring at you. Touch of glitter to foundation application, powder application, concealer application. Let's get right in. Hey loves, let's get right in. Thanks for stopping by. And if you are a new subscriber, you're welcome to the family. If you are an old subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I love you. Mwah. So I started off using a micellar cleansing water to gently cleanse our skin. So we get ready to shine this holiday season with a glamorous makeup look. Okay, and to achieve all of that, you need to clean the face properly. Apply an hydrating setting spray, and I use the Maro setting spray. Apply a serum to give you all the hydrating you need this Harmattan winter period. And then I went in with my moisturizer, and I'm using the elf moisturizer. You can find this in a drugstore if you are not in Nigeria. If you're in Nigeria, you can get it in some of the stores that sell skincare products. Perfect for your skin this Harmattan and winter period. When I'm done using a brush to apply that, I like to just use my fingers to warm that on the skin. After if you bath finish with the rub your pomade, now your hand you take the rub cream for your body, not be brush. Okay, so I just like to use my fingers to dab that into the skin properly. And then I went in with my elf moisturizer. I love how this just make your product foundation to stick on the skin. Okay, in this dry season you don't want to be using too much mattifying product else your makeup is going to break. So I went in with Makeup Forever mattifying primer. I love the Makeup Forever mattifying primer because it reduces fine line. And then it was time for foundation application. I used the Makeup Forever foundation and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Men. These two foundation is a bomb for this holiday period. Check out the little amount I applied and check out how far and how full coverage it is. I am a fan of mixing 2 to 3 shades of foundation to be able to get the right tone. Okay, and you need that this holiday season for a glamorous look. And then I like to use a brush, a foundation brush, to first of all push the foundation into the skin as I'm doing right now, dabbing it in. And then when I am done blending all of that, by the way, while doing this, I like to go section from section from one part of the face to the other part of the face. Women of color, this is how you should be blending your foundation this holiday. And then I'll ask her to puff her mouth so that I'll be able to close all of those smile lines. Please guys, forgive my voice today because I have cold and I am in a car. Today is 22nd of December. I already have 2 appointments in the morning. I'm about to go for the next appointment. But you know what, I was like, I must edit this video and send to you guys because you see, this client of mine is my friend, a friend that heaven sent my way. Okay, in 2003 when I gained admission into Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Oka, I met this beautiful lady. We became friends. You know, first introduction, you know, my cousin brother introduced her to me, and somehow that's how we became friends. So, and this babe gave me 1 year accommodation. Like, I wanted to pay for my hostel fee. She was like, no, don't pay, come and live with me, let's live together. Okay, and in that way I scored with her and I saved my money. And the next year I was like, no, if I'm going to continue living with you, then I will have to also pay you for it, even if it's part with my payment. She was like, no problem, I just love your style. I love the fact that when you wake up in the morning you don't need to be told what to do. I love the fact that you respect my space. And guys, it's been years since 2003. To think that only in recent time, like 4 years ago, I realized she was much more older than me. She was almost, in fact, she's like 4 years older than me. Can you beat that? So please, in life, I appreciate people like this that don't bring age into friendship. I appreciate people that, funny how there was a time we had a little issues because me, I'm very confrontational. If I don't like something, I tell you, you know. And I was so happy how it was sorted out. She was like, oh really, you didn't like that? Sorry. And you know what, the best way to apologize is that there's a change after the apology. Not that after the apology you start acting corny as if now you smart past yourself. or when there were issues, you just found out that it was time to use one person to replace your friendship. Don't be like that in 2025. This video, I say I must drop this video. Don't be like that in 2025. Work on your relationship. Don't be easy to say I cut off. Do you know how many people for don't cut you self off? You say your character sweet. Especially us ladies, I've come to realize that we can manage toxic partner over the years and still smile. But that one friend we just make mistake, you just cut them off, just jam everywhere to your family and friends. It's not nice. You see that same patience that you have for your husband, that you have for your siblings, try and incorporate it into your friendship and your relationship with your staff, with your workers, with your children, with your friends. Just try. Not be only man now they get lifespan patience for. Una dey try. Una just try 2025. Anyways guys, once again I went back using the same foundation brush to blend a contour and a blush. This is why I like to buy things that gives me value for my money. As you can see, this same Nigerian brand brush can actually multitask. And then I advise you this holiday season to get a beautiful flawless glam like this. Make sure you get a beauty blender. A beauty blender helps you to blend your makeup smoothly. Okay, all you need to do is make sure it is properly wet, not over wet too. Yes, damp. Let me use the word damp. Squeeze out the water and then just dab. Okay, back to my friend Ufoma. I really appreciate, you know those friends that you don't talk every day, you don't even see for some months, but the once in a while you guys speak, you speak for hours, you speak at length as if you are seeing every day. She have 4 sons and 1 daughter. She have 5 kids. I don't even remember some of her children's birthday, but she remember my 3 children's birthday. Can you beat that? And me, and I've gone up to my shit. I told her, I said, I'm not good at dates. I cannot promise you that I will change, but I'm in work in progress. I'm working on myself to be cramming dates. I appreciate the fact that you never used it against me. So part of the reason I decided to put this video out there is that Christmas is around the corner. Jesus is the reason for the season. Okay, try and be happy, make yourself happy, work on your relationships, work on your businesses, work on your client contract form, work on building a stronger relationship with God in 2025. See, Christmas is not about buying new bag, new shoe, buying new things. No way. Christmas is about you being happy. Just the way your neighbor born, you happy say your neighbor born. Your friend born pikin, you happy say he born. And so they born Jesus Christ this period. You self try happy say they born Jesus Christ. Not steal Jesus Christ's birthday, not steal a shine. All in the name of you are looking for one material things to buy. Beg, as I was saying, it's my friend's birthday, and this birthday was November 24, I'll be 29. God forgive me. For my birthday, if you watch this video, forgive me, because just now, so I don't really forget the date, and I crammed the date before now. Okay, so guys, nobody is perfect. This is just me putting it out here, not for anybody to criticize or to curse, but most times when I put video out here is to also remind myself of my shortcomings and where I need to work on. Yes, sometimes I go back to my videos and watch myself and tell myself where I need to upgrade on. So I'm also doing this right now, doing this voiceover, because I need to start cramming dates. Very few people I know their birthday dates. Very few. I'm not good at dates, and that does not define me as a bad person. No. So I'm just grateful to God for a friend like this that knows my wedding anniversary, knows, as in she's so intentional about our relationship, and she doesn't even bring age into it. Over the years, this is the one and only friend that have said from my university days that Mamus, anytime when I want marry, now you must do my makeup. Now you must do my makeup. I said, till then. 2013, when it was time for her marriage, a traditional marriage and a wedding, she came back to me and said, Mamus, I know you are pregnant and I don't think your husband will allow you travel to Kogi State for my traditional marriage and wedding. But in all honesty, you are part of my dream wedding. Please, should I come talk to your husband? I said, no, I don't want you to. She said, no problem. And then she replied, if you cannot make it, I will understand. And then in my head, all through the night, I couldn't sleep that day. Despite the fact I've sent my support, bought what I was supposed to buy to support her, that. But that night, I couldn't just sleep. I was just restless on the bed, restless, restless, restless. And it was my second trimester during my second child's pregnancy. That night, I woke my husband up. I said, "Sweetheart, please, can I discuss something with you?" He said, "Yes." I said, "Promise me you will agree." He said, "I cannot promise what he does not know." I said, "I beg now, just promise me you will agree." So he said he will not promise, that I should just say what it is. And then I said, "Please, please, this is one friend that gave me 1 year accommodation, though it's been years. I've paid back in different ways, but I'm somebody that no matter any good thing you do for me, I no fit forget that. If you like get bad character, I fit give you space, but I no go ever forget that way you do for me, and that will not even make me talk bad about you. I can't even talk bad about you, even if I want to." Now, I now told my husband everything, the past we had, what we've shared in the past, and I'm like, "Please allow me to travel to do our makeup. I beg, I beg." I say most of my friends we marry, they no contact me. They pay people, they pay other people to do their makeup, knowing very well I'm a makeup artist. I said, this is that one person that I've been saying it, that even though you are a learner, mamus, come and use that learning skills on my face. I cannot pay somebody else when I know you are a makeup artist. Any way it won't be, make it be after wedding life day. I said, this is the only human being that have told me that makeup now one day, as long as my friend is doing it, she's the one I will patronize. Good or bad, we'll do it together. I will tell you how I want it and how I like it. I cannot tell her that I will not attend, even though I've told her I will not attend. He said, "But you've already told her you can't attend the wedding." I said, "Yes, I did, but as in my heart, I beg, I not fit." He said, "But when you told her you can't travel, did she understood?" I said, "Yes." He said, "So what are you now talking about?" I said, "A change of mind. My conscience cannot allow me to sleep. Just agree." So he now said, "Okay, no problem, that I can travel, but before then, I'll have to go to the hospital, check my vitals, everything, run some tests, and if the doctor give permission, then I can travel." And yes, I should pray about it and then see one of our vicar, we are Anglican, to also pray about the journey mercy, safe trip to and fro. And then he will get me a driver that will use my car to drive us down, to drive me down, and then I don't used to take a public transport. And then I didn't tell this friend of mine until 2 days to the day she was about to travel to the village. She now called me. She said, "Mamus, I know that you are not happy that you cannot make it, but babe, don't worry. When I come back, I will give you all the gist." And then I said, "I'm coming. My husband agreed." She was so happy, eh? And then she was like, "Ah, she'll look for a good transport park, oh, where we go use to go Kogi State to Kogi State go hear her say, she's from Igala in Kogi State." She said, "I go no say she import her makeup artist come." I said, "No worry." My husband said, "We get us a driver that will drive us down there. So all we need to do is look for a good place that will stay. You and I will go together and we'll come back." I said, "But coming back, I don't have to wait for you, because of course you might still want to wait for some 1 or 2 days, but me, it's just 2 days, the trial and the wedding, and the third day I'm coming back." She was so happy, and that was it, guys. Check out the brows and the eye look I did in 2013 and that of 2024. Hey God, if I am not even grateful to God for anything over the years, I am grateful to God right now that this makeup I do today compared to the one I do 2013, I have tried. In fact, make I encourage myself. Grateful for not just myself, but my lovely, amazing, heaven sent subscribers. I've got another set of family on this happy YouTube. Thank you, my subscribers. Soon again, beautiful comment. But guys, check out the Mama's Ate you are saying today. You're watching a video today. The picture by the corner is the makeup I did years back. And do you know, after our birthday shoot, I'll drop a screenshot of our communication. When I sent her our pictures of this birthday shoot, she was like, "Oh, my friend, I'm so proud of you. I'm grateful to God of how far you've come. See my wedding makeup when you do." She now sent me the videos and pictures. I said, "Thank you, Jesus." So, guys, you know what? This is one of my beautiful Christmas gifts, because now day life that they celebrate too. You must be a legend to die before people go celebrate you. Now who they alive, now person they celebrate. So now that I'm alive, I'm so grateful of how far God has brought me, and I need you to please search your conscience, look inside your inner heart, and look at your past and tell yourself you are proud of yourself, because it's not about designers, it's not about what you've achieved, it's not about what you've bought, it's not about the house, the luxury, the cars. What makes us special in life is how we touch people's life, how we communicate with people, and how we leave people. How you leave anybody matters. You might enter a room full of one kind of energy you don't understand, but how you live truly matters. How you live will make people wonder, who's that person that just stepped in? Who is that person that just stepped out? Wow, I love her charisma, I love her positive vibe, I love her energy in the room, I love this. Can I get her contact? I would love to communicate with her. See, might tell you that is important. Whenever you are in any relationship with anybody, don't be giving them seasonal attitude. Don't be doing when you want to be in, when you want to be out. No. And again, for some of us that are married, you could see that even though I already told my friend no, she wanted to come back, but I already told her no. But I find a way to talk to my spouse. Now, if this is one of my friends that have already backlashed for my husband, do you think he would allow me travel for days for my friend's wedding? He will not. So, ladies, this is an advice for you. Whether you like take her, whether you like throw her through the window, man tell you, now waiting man so now they rape. Learn to manage your relationship with your female friends without getting your husband involved, because there is a way you will tell your husband certain things about your friends. You have just destroyed that relationship. It can't be built ever again, because even when you decide to forgive your friend and work on that relationship, your husband, your other friends, your family members that you backlash your friend to may not forgive that person. Not be only friendship una go dey turn us by everything. Hope when you go to the market and you have extra gain on those stuffs that you took money for, I hope you do tell your husband that you have gain on that. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed everything about this video. Managing relationship with friends, with your spouse, with families, the tips, the techniques, the flawless foundation techniques, the glittering eyes, eye pigments. Okay, I hope you enjoyed everything about this extreme glamorous holiday makeup tutorial of my gorgeous friend. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, and please remember to tell me, discuss with me on the comment section. And guys, remember to please like, share and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section what kind of video you want to see this holiday Christmas period. Once again, Merry Christmas in advance, and remember to stay positive, be happy, smile often, and bye guys. Mwah!